Hey, guys, if you're watching on Toasty Clips, we got a fun PC build today. So this one is using a mixture of parts that we've gotten on trade-in and stuff that we've just bought good deals on. The main components are a Ryzen 7 5800X. We got 8 cores, 16 threads. We're putting that thing inside an RX6700xt Phantom Gaming motherboard. It is being cooled. I'm letting them keep up here. That's what he's doing here.
Cooled or motherboard?
Motherboard. X570 Phantom Gaming, nice full-size board. For cooling, we have a Cooler Master 360mm AIO, which we don't even know what the full name of it is, actually. We just put 360mm AIO. That was a trade-in deal. In terms of, let's see, RAM. For the RAM, we have Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 3600 megahertz, 16 gigs, 2x8. For storage, we have a 2 terabyte Inland Platinum NVMe SSD. Is that Gen 3 or 4? 3. That looks like 3.
Yep.
Gen 3. We also, for the power supply, have a Seagotep 750 watt, which is, I think, is that ATX 3.0 ready one? Or is that?
I think they're like all ATX. Yeah, 3.0 and PCI 5.
There you go, PCI 5 ready to go for the future. Graphics card is an AMD RX6700xt, which we've been using a lot recently.
Oh, yeah.
These reference style ones are good deals right now. And that is 12 gigs of VRAM, going to be great. And altogether, this build is going to be $1,300 over at PCBros.tech inside the TD500 mesh as well, which is a nice case from Florence.
It's not bad for an all-time fan favorite CPU for sure.
Yeah.
People love the 5800X. Wait, Pinky Tech, you're my grandpa's age.
No, I'm just kidding.
He's like, bro. No, I might have said that wrong. Long story short, we're 25, so that's what I meant. I meant we're only about 5 years ahead, I guess.
What this guy said.
Yeah. It's like a little pasta on it. Who said that, Pinky Tech? I didn't feel like you had a lack of hair.
Icon.
Speaking of nut button. Oh yeah, guys, have you had a chance to look at the new PC Bros website?
Oh, Seagotep makes good power tools. That is the ugliest power supply sticker I've ever seen in my life.
I kind of like the yellow. It's been the
Yellow.
Corsair. I think it's in that video. Corsair yellow.
Where's our vinyl wrap? Pinky Tech, where's the vinyl? 1000 watts is very overkill for a 3070 and 7700X. 850 would be more than enough, and that isn't a bit overkill. I'd even, like, I mean, 750 would be fine.
The girls dye our hair. I feel like the guys need to learn how to properly do it. We need to learn how
I
to
dyed my hair a couple times back in the day.
You did?
Yeah, when I was younger. I did like a red one time when I was in like elementary school.
Oh, okay. I do not remember that.
But no, it's pretty easy.
Did you feel like a professional?
It is. But yeah, that was just like a darker color, so that was much easier. But when we're trying to go like freaking purple, bright purple, you know, gotta bleach it. Sorry to rescind this, but I have a question. Would a heavily discounted 6750XT for 340 pounds be good upgrade for 1440p over a 6600XT? Would be a good upgrade, but normally we don't really recommend doing like same generation upgrades like that unless you absolutely just want to do it right now. You're better off waiting for the next gen to come out.
Every time we use I swear we're just easy targets or something, because it's always happened to us.
Hello there, people. What's up? But yes, eBay as a whole, it's the same thing with all these other marketplace websites. I don't really categorize Wish. Wish is just something else.
It's its own category.
But Temu now, and then AliExpress, they're all marketplaces for sellers, and it really just depends on what seller you're getting it from.
All right, now we're ready. We're ready to cook with fire.
We cooking with grease, boy. Double V, W, LOL, haha.
Wow.
You should have done 2 U's and then like W. That would have been even more edgy.
Yeah, like DW.
DW.
Matt called my glasses earlier.
Yes, the Vision Pros.
The
You see how much that thing is?
No. Oh, isn't it like $4 grand?
It'd be $3,500 with 2-hour battery.
What even is it? Just a VR?
Well, everyone says VR, but it's not VR. It's like it's because Apple's all in on the augmented reality, which is like putting stuff in your environment as opposed to taking you to an environment.
Mm-hmm.
So it's basically just putting stuff around you or whatever. And yeah, I don't even know like what the real benefit is, but you know. It's $3,500. It's their first take on that. Which, if you know anything about Apple, their first-gen products are normally okay, but they're incredibly expensive, and you're just getting them just to get them.
They end up being outdated after like 3 months.
So going first-gen is never a good idea with an Apple product. And y'all put a margarita dispenser in my environment, sounds
I bought the PC the other day and there was extra Ryzen and I was like, dang it, Bobby.
Vegeta, I would disagree with that. It depends on what you're getting. I would say, yes, Apple products are expensive. And there are some products spending a lot of money on, like an iMac or a MacBook might not make a lot of sense, but they retain their value a lot, like MacBooks and stuff. I don't expect this thing to retain its value because it's going to drop, but like spending a lot of money on like a Mac, like those things hold their value very well.
It's weird because like I've noticed like they hold their value, but it's only after a certain dropping point.
Yes.
Because like you know the main example, like the good example, is the last few gens that were iSeries.
Yeah. Anything with any of the new stuff now with like the M1, M2, M2, they'll retain their value.
But if you happen to have bought like one of those like i9 ones, those are like $300 now, $400. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
Yeah, this would be a really nice, really just anything PC for someone.
Sweatshirt and shorts is the perfect combo. You know, you're cool up top and you have the flexibility down low. Also, the bathroom experience is so much better with hands and Squidward looking at us.
I haven't actually had to go to the bathroom since I hung him. It's not kind of bad.
He's like, I haven't gone to the bathroom in 24 hours.
No extra fans. And I'll handle, yeah, I think we're good.
Graphics card.
Roy G. Big. Well, actually, they make it easy. I forgot they probably use a splitter. Ew, 4-pin? Ew! Disgusting! No, I never did find the guy. I wanted to show Jonah, but I mean, someone has to know who that guy is, because he's like stupid popular. Is it? Oh, little citrus?
Little citrus goo on action.
I gotta find my gloves. That weirded me out.
Golden glove?
Golden glove. Let's expose them.
Azure boards that have the PCI slots so high up, like it is touching the RAM.
They wanted to give you plenty of room for expansion. Or question is, would you rather have it too high or like too low where it's on the basement?
I want it low RAM.
Like my freaking PC. You guys rate setups? Yes, we have done. We've actually, in the past we used to do it a lot. If you go look at like really old Toasty Bros videos. More recently, I think we've done 4 setup submissions. You'll just have to just go to our channel, use the search feature.
There'll probably be more with us leaving in July because they're easy videos to do.
Yeah, those are the kind of videos like thinking of ones that could actually be done like remotely. Like those are definitely it. Those and like basically just any talking video. I still want to not like redo my setup at home, but I still feel like it needs more. It just feels so. Yeah, it feels so. Yeah. Bigger desk. Yeah, I do feel like I need a bigger desk at home. My office is definitely big enough for a bigger desk. I need that 8-footer. 8-footer. The only thing I don't know if I'd like about a longer desk though is like right now my desk is just manageable enough with the PC built in where I can like move it if I need to, but I feel like if it was bigger and the PC is built in, it would be a no-go.
You need to make it your PC detachable from your desk.
Yeah, that'd probably be the move.
Basically just a spot to put a case in.
That's what, yeah, literally just a normal case.
You almost need like one of those like test bench style cases, and you just make like a little box cut out in your desk, and you set it in there, and then you have like glass over top, something like that. Or it just needs to be on a test bench that you can just move.
Pretty much. That's kind of how it is in a way. It's just, but it's screwed in. So.
Yeah. There she goes, guys.
Need to build our. Do we have a new table? Oh, like for yeah. I forgot our back patio table just like fell apart.
Hashtag nice build.
Aha! There will be spinning.
Do you have any ideas on where and how to stick LED strips in a PC build similar to yours? Best bet normally is up top, but when you have like a 360 mil, it can be kind of difficult. Maybe in between like this, spot like right here, if you want to put a strip up there. Normally up top's the best because it hides it. You can probably put some right here in between the basement. This right here you can run in between the basement, and then you can even see what I'm pointing at. Right through here, and then you can run the power cable back through here. You can't see, man. I know, I was blocking it, I was like, here, and you just can't see what I'm pointing at. I've been using all these like reference 6700XTs that just have red lighting. It's just like,
so yeah.
What?
It looks really good when you have the like red on.
We're getting some Gen 4, we're getting some 16 gigs, we're getting an i3 1200F with a, ooh, what's that result with? Oh yeah. Because of RAM, but
I figured. I'm like, well, there's no one here. I could go ahead and get Windows going on it.
But yes, giveaway PC is going to be the 16th?
Man,
Whatever,
that's-
yeah, whatever the next, not this Friday, next Friday is. If it's 16th, then
It has a lot of modes. Alright guys, I'm bringing it over to the area over there.
Alright, gamers.
You didn't know that, Bento Bean?
We're gonna find somebody to raid. Thank you all for watching.
I don't know what
You're
that was.
beautiful.
That's disrespectful as fuck.
I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Peace out.
Alright.